To be fair, I know you left me down.